student, welcome to this video. So now I thought of starting the videos on AutoCAD. So this is my first video on AutoCAD. So recently I have installed it from the Autodesk driver. So you can visit the Autodesk website where Autodesk 2025 which will be available now, and there is a easy process of installing the AutoCAD. It's around 4 GB data is required to download, and after that just you can directly install without having any problem. So after installing you will get the screen like this, where it will be left side it can written as AutoCAD 2025 and having two options, one is open, another is the new one. And after entering the new one you will get this screen. So here in the comment box, so always before starting of any drawing you have to apply the limits. So this limits is for applying the paper setting, okay, or paper page setup you can say, where I have to enter the comments like limits, and here left corners, that is 0.0 can enter, then again after that enter. Now upper right corner value will be 210 comma 297. So this value or the size of a A4 paper, okay. Generally after taking the diagram into a PDF file will give the print in A4 format as in the educational institutes. So this is the paper size of a A4, okay. So after applying the limits you have to again type units. So this is for for a length or precision, where the for length the type it will be decimal, and precision we can go for 0 or 0.0, and this angle is also same in the decimal degree and the angle will be 0. So these units to scale that we can generally go with the millimeter, all the values in millimeter in our AutoCAD. So I select as millimeter. If you want any other units then you can select, okay. Then after that you can just okay. So this is a setup for any drawing before if you start. So this you have to apply for to start the any drawing, okay. Thank you.